thunderstorm warning for southwestern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southern Bradford County in northeastern Pennsylvania, western Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Canton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, West Franklin, Wilmot, Hollenbach, Wyalusing, Meshoppen, Monroe, Forkston, Lassaville, and New Albany. National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Susquehanna.